Hey, good morning everyone. I'm Mark Montano and we are on the set of my new show, which is called Your Makers Showdown on Discovery Plus. It's super early in the morning and this is a day in the life, so come on. Go with the flow,
Yep.
After my own art.
Yes!
Paint no mountain high enough.
Love it!
Vincent Van Flow.
Yes! Yes!
And working in flow motion.
Yes! I can't stand it! How's it going?
This is who I get to work with. Go follow her on Instagram.
Yes.
Leon Rhymes on Instagram. You will see some awesome things. And she was just on The Masked Singer, and it was so beautiful. Hey everybody, this is my new friend Christy Metz. She is awesome, and make sure to follow her on Instagram. She is hosting Your Makers Showdown, and she is fantastic.
Well, this is Mark, and he's my new friend, and you guys already know who he is.
Pardon me, guys.
And I love him so very much. Obviously, we're behind the scenes. Things are happening, shaking, moving, and I'm just so excited to be working with you.
my God.
I just love you. I just love you.
All right, talk to you later.